Hello and welcome to Speak Ready English.
We are happy you are here with us today.
Thank you for giving us your time.
This is your safe space to practice simple English.
You can relax here. Every mistake helps you grow.
Our podcasts are like steps on a road.
Each podcast helps the next one.
This channel is your easy path to better English.
Today's topic is very practical and useful.
We talk about bank English today.
Everyone needs to visit a bank sometimes.
After this podcast, you can speak English at any bank.
Later in this podcast, I show you something special.
It is a simple formula with 5 steps.
This formula helps you complete any bank visit successfully.
Stay with us to learn this helpful formula.
Does going to a bank in English feel scary?
Many people feel like that at first. You will learn today.
If you like slow, clear English, please subscribe.
Your likes and comments give us energy.
Your simple English is powerful.
Okay, let's begin and learn bank vocabulary.
First, let's learn the basic bank words.
The first word is bank.
A bank is a place where you keep your money safe.
You go to the bank to do many things with your money.
The next word is account.
An account is like a container for your money at the bank.
You put money in your account.
You take money out of your account.
The next word is cash.
Cash means paper money and coins.
When you have cash, you have physical money in your hand.
Many people like to pay with cash.
The next easy word is ATM.
ATM means automatic teller machine.
An ATM is a machine outside or inside the bank.
You can get cash from an ATM anytime.
You use your bank card at the ATM.
Now let's learn some medium difficulty words.
The first medium word is deposit.
Deposit means to put money into your account.
When I receive my salary, I deposit it in the bank.
You can deposit cash or checks at the bank.
Repeat after me. I want to deposit money into my account.
I want to deposit money into my account.
Your turn. Okay, let's continue.
The next word is withdraw.
Withdraw means to take money out of your account.
When I need cash, I withdraw money from my account.
You can withdraw money at the bank or at an ATM.
Repeat after me. I need to withdraw $200.
I need to withdraw $200.
Your turn.
Okay, let's continue.
The next word is balance.
Balance means how much money is in your account right now.
If you deposit $100, your balance goes up.
If you withdraw $50, your balance goes down.
You can check your balance at the ATM or online.
Repeat after me. Can you tell me my account balance?
Can you tell me my account balance?
Your turn. Okay, let's continue.
The next word is transfer.
Transfer means to move money from one account to another.
I can transfer money to my friend's account.
I can also transfer money between my own accounts.
Online banking makes transfers very easy.
The next medium word is statement.
A statement is a document from the bank.
It shows all your deposits and withdrawals for the month.
Your statement shows every transaction you made.
You can get a paper statement or an electronic statement.
You will remember these words step by step.
Your brain is learning right now.
Now let's learn the harder words.
The first hard word is transaction.
A transaction is any action with your money at the bank.
When you deposit money, that is a transaction.
When you withdraw money, that is also a transaction.
Every time you use your card, you make a transaction.
Banks keep a record of every transaction you make.
You can see all your transactions on your statement.
Repeat after me. I need a record of my recent transactions.
I need a record of my recent transactions.
Your turn.
Okay, let's continue.
The next hard word is savings account.
A savings account is a special type of bank account.
You use a savings account to save money for the future.
A savings account usually gives you interest.
Interest means the bank pays you a little extra money.
Many people have both a checking account and a savings account.
A checking account is for daily spending.
A savings account is for keeping money safe.
Repeat after me. I would like to open a savings account.
I would like to open a savings account.
Your turn.
Okay, let's continue.
The last hard word is exchange rate.
The exchange rate is the value of one currency compared to another.
For example, how many euros equal $1?
The exchange rate changes every day.
When you travel, you need to know the exchange rate.
Banks can exchange your money to different currencies.
Before you exchange money, always ask about the exchange rate.
A good exchange rate means you get more foreign money.
Repeat after me. What is today's exchange rate for euros?
What is today's exchange rate for euros?
Your turn.
Okay, let's continue.
Let's do a quick quiz.
What word means to put money into your account?
Think about it.
The answer is deposit.
What word means to take money out of your account?
Think about it.
The answer is withdraw.
Great job.
Now let me teach you some important bank phrases.
These phrases help you communicate at any bank.
Phrase 1. I would like to open an account.
Use this phrase when you want a new bank account.
Phrase 2. I need to make a deposit.
Use this phrase when you want to put money in.
Phrase 3. I would like to withdraw some money.
Use this phrase when you need cash.
Phrase 4. Can I check my balance, please?
Use this phrase to know how much money you have.
Phrase 5. I need to transfer money to another account.
Use this phrase to move money.
Phrase 6. Can I have a printed statement?
Use this phrase to get your transaction record.
Now here is the special formula I promised you.
The 5-step bank visit formula.
Step 1 is greet.
Always greet the bank staff politely.
Say hello or good morning.
Step 2 is explain.
Explain what you need clearly.
Say I would like to, or I need to.
Step 3 is show.
Show your identification and documents.
Banks need to see your ID for security.
Step 4 is confirm.
Confirm the details of your transaction.
Say, so I am depositing $200, correct?
Step 5 is thank.
Always thank the bank staff at the end.
Say thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Greet, explain, show, confirm, thank.
This formula works at any bank in any country. Let's start our story.
Jack, I have a problem.
What is the problem, Sarah?
I need to go to the bank tomorrow.
Okay, that sounds normal. Why is it a problem?
I just moved to a new city.
Oh, I see. You need to find a new bank.
Yes, and I need to open a new account.
That makes sense. Opening an account is easy.
But I feel nervous about all the bank vocabulary.
I understand. Let me help you practice.
Thank you, Jack. That would be very helpful.
Let's pretend I am the bank staff.
Okay, I am ready to practice.
Good morning. Welcome to the bank. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to open an account, please.
Of course. What type of account do you need?
I need an account for my daily expenses.
So you need a checking account for daily transactions.
Yes, a checking account, and maybe a savings account too.
Good idea. A savings account helps you save money.
What do I need to open these accounts?
You need your identification and proof of address.
I have my passport and a utility bill.
Perfect. Those documents are fine.
How much money do I need to deposit to start?
The minimum deposit is $50 for each account.
I want to deposit $200 in checking.
Okay, and how much in your savings account?
I would like to deposit $300 in savings.
Excellent, so $500 total for both accounts.
Yes, that is correct. Can I confirm the transaction?
You are doing great, listeners.
Look how much you understand.
Let's continue our practice.
Jack, I also have another question.
What is your question?
I have some euros from my last trip.
You want to exchange them to dollars.
Yes, exactly. Can I do that at the bank?
Yes, most banks offer currency exchange services.
Good, but how do I ask about it?
You can say, I would like to exchange some euros to dollars.
I would like to exchange some euros to dollars.
Then ask, what is today's exchange rate?
What is today's exchange rate?
Today the exchange rate is €1 to $1.10.
€1 equals $1.10.
Yes, that is correct. It is a good rate today.
Great, I have €200 to exchange.
€200 will give you $220.
Wow, that is more than I expected.
The exchange rate changes every day.
I should check the exchange rate before I go.
That is a smart idea.
Jack, one more situation, please.
Of course, what situation?
What if I need to send money to my family?
You mean an international transfer?
Yes, I want to send money to another country.
Okay, let's practice that too.
Good morning. I need to transfer money internationally.
Where would you like to send the money?
I want to send money to my mother in Spain.
How much would you like to transfer?
I would like to transfer $500.
Do you have the bank details for the receiving account?
Yes, I have my mother's account number and bank name.
Good, international transfers take 2 to 3 business days.
That is fine. What is the fee for this transaction?
The fee is $25 for international transfers.
I understand. Please go ahead with the transfer.
I need your ID to complete this transaction.
Here is my passport.
Thank you, your transfer is complete.
Can I have a receipt for this transaction?
Of course, here is your receipt.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too, thank you for visiting our bank.
Jack, that was really helpful practice.
You did very well, Sarah.
I feel more confident about my bank visit now.
Remember the 5-step formula.
Greet, explain, show, confirm, thank.
Exactly, use this formula every time.
I also learned many new words today.
Words like deposit, withdraw, balance, and transaction.
And savings account and exchange rate.
These words are very useful at any bank.
I feel ready for tomorrow now.
Your English is good enough for any bank visit.
Thank you for helping me practice.
That is what friends are for.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned many important bank words.
Account is where you keep your money.
Cash is paper money and coins.
ATM is a machine for getting cash.
Deposit means to put money in.
Withdraw means to take money out.
Balance is how much money you have.
Transfer is to move money to another account.
Statement shows all your transactions.
Transaction is any action with your money.
Savings account is for saving money.
And exchange rate is the value between currencies.
Let's do one more quiz.
Imagine this situation.
You are at the bank.
You want to know how much money is in your account.
What do you ask?
Think about it.
You ask, can I check my balance, please?
A great job.
Remember the 5-step formula from today.
Step 1, greet the bank staff.
Step 2, explain what you need.
Step 3, show your identification.
Step 4, confirm the details.
Step 5, thank the staff.
This formula works every time.
Now homework time.
This week, practice these bank phrases at home.
Stand in front of a mirror.
Pretend you are at the bank.
Practice saying, I would like to open an account.
Practice saying, I need to make a deposit.
Write in the comments which phrase you practiced.
For example, I practiced asking about my balance.
We want to hear about your practice.
Your English is growing every day.
We love to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
If this podcast helped you, please subscribe.
Next time we have something special for you.
We share exciting topics coming to this channel.
We promise many interesting and helpful podcasts ahead.
Topics about travel, work, health, and daily life.
We want to help you speak English everywhere.
Stay with us for more amazing learning.
Step by step, your English is growing.
See you in the next podcast.
Bye-bye.
Bye.